Welcome back to Star Quiz. Today we'll see how well you know our solar system and space in general. 40 questions, 8 seconds per question. Are you ready? If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. Let's get started. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. Hot enough to melt lead, but not your determination. How many moons does Jupiter have? "79. More moons than most people have socks. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? Venus. Hot enough to melt your chocolate, but not your dreams. What is the name of the first artificial satellite launched by humans? Sputnik 1. It beeped its way into history. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. Red like a stop sign, but it says go to explorers. What is the main component of Saturn's rings? Yes, the universe's largest ice skating rink. Who was the first human to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. One small step for man, one giant leap for memekind. How old is the Earth? $4.5 billion years. Old enough to know better, young enough not to care. Which galaxy is the closest to the Milky Way? The Andromeda Galaxy. Our cosmic neighbor, but they never bring cookies over. Who discovered that the Earth revolves around the Sun? Nicolaus Copernicus. He really turned our world upside down. Which planet is nicknamed the Blue Planet? Earth, blue like the oceans. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? "300,000 kilometers per second. Wow! How long does it take for sunlight to reach Earth? "8 minutes. Just enough time to microwave a burrito." Which mission took the first man to the moon? Apollo 11. The Eagle has landed and it wasn't carrying packages. What gas mainly composes the atmosphere of Mars? Carbon dioxide. Mars is basically one big greenhouse. How many natural satellites does Earth have? The Moon. Earth's faithful sidekick. What will the Sun become after it runs out of fuel? A white dwarf from giant star to cosmic senior citizen. Which planet is the brightest in the sky? Venus, the original morning star, no coffee needed. What is the name of the instrument used to observe stars? A telescope bringing the stars to your eyes since 1608. Who was the first dog sent into space? Laika, the original space dog, not to be confused with space cats. What is the name of the robot currently on Mars? Perseverance, it's not just a virtue, it's a rover. Which planet is the largest in our solar system? Jupiter, big enough to fit 1/300 Earths inside. How far has man traveled into space? To the moon. That's one giant leap for mankind and a huge bill for NASA. What is the Big Bang Theory about? The origin of the universe, not to be confused with the sitcom. Who discovered Saturn's rings? Galileo. He put a ring on it before Beyoncé. How often can we see Halley's Comet in the sky? Every 75 years, mark your calendars for your grandkids. What is the largest volcano in the solar system? Olympus Mons on Mars makes Everest look like a speed bump. Which constellation contains the North Star? Ursa Minor, the Little Dipper, not just for ice cream? Who was the first woman to travel into space? Valentina Tereshkova, breaking the glass ceiling of Earth's atmosphere. How many planets are there in our solar system? Eight. Sorry, Pluto, size does matter. What's the name of the ice dome that surrounds our solar system? The Oort cloud, the solar system's frozen fortress. What's the average distance between Earth and the Sun? It's 93 million miles. What is the name of the star closest to Earth? The Sun, our very own celestial spotlight. Which planet has the most moons? Saturn, the planet with its own moon collection. What's the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter, the heavyweight champion of our solar system. What is the surface temperature of the Sun? – 10,000 degrees. Hot enough to make even the toughest sunscreen useless. Where can you find the North Star? In Ursa Minor, the cosmic GPS for ancient travelers. Who discovered the planet Uranus? William Herschel. He really reached for the stars and found a planet. What is the name of the galaxy we live in? The Milky Way, home sweet galactic home. Who was the last person to walk on the moon? Eugene Cernan, the last person so far. And now, let's test your knowledge on something a bit different. Click on this video and don't forget to like and subscribe.